Today we're going to be throwing this little spin walker lure. We're testing out from 13 Fishing, and it's got a little, it's like a spook, but it's got a little torpedo thing on it. But we're going to give it a try. And then we're going to do some catfishing later. It's a little bit cloudy today with some rain. Maybe the sun will come through later. I don't know. We'll have to see if something happens. On. I'll take it. I'll take it. He's hooked a bunch though. Oh, I have your pliers somewhere. Don't move, bud, or you get hooked another 3 times. I'll take it. We're at the brush pile. Can't say I'm surprised. It's raining pretty good out here. Raining pretty hard, I can't lie. Oh, this is raining. There's Eric up there. He's drenched. He's a drenched dog. Get all 4 lines out, ready to make some. And now it's raining even harder. Somehow it's raining even harder. Dude, how is it raining harder? How is it even possible? It's raining pretty hard, but we're dedicated fishermen. We don't stop for nothing. We'll get back to you guys when we get a bite. On. Yep. Please be a catfish. It doesn't feel that big though. Yet, at least. Oh, it's a sheephead. I guarantee it's a sheephead. It's gotta be a sheephead. Oh, maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe not.
Should I grab the boat?
Cat. It's a cat.
Oh, let's go.
Yes, dude. Oh, shit. It's not a big one, but... It's not a big one, but I'll take it. A fish is a fish, right? I'm not going to lip him. He's too small. He'll tear my fingers to shreds. It's a little bit too small. I'll take him though. It's a fun fight. I'll take it. We got something. I'll take it.
Side of his head.
Yeah, he got attacked by something. That looks like a pike or muskie. It's not bad. I'd about say like 7 pounds. Yo. I'll take it though. You know what? I'll take it. That's not bad. Not, I can't even fit my hand in there, I don't think, but.
You want a photo with them or no?
What do you think? Photo worthy?
I mean, it's not bad. It shows that we caught something.
You're not wrong. Might actually be not a bad idea then. In that case. Dude, stop, dude. Stop. Okay. Oh, there we go. I'll take it, Eric. You know what? That's not bad. Oh my god, dude. God damn.
The second one say you're not a bad catfish, you just
Look at that. He's pretty big.
He's not bad.
This is 7 pounds probably. I'll take it. You know what? Better than nothing.
Exactly.
I'll take it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, he's running toward. On. Spit it. Your line's going down too. Yeah, the big one. Dang, dude. Bad hole? Not a bad hole. Oh yeah. Pulling the line out pretty good. I'm gonna set the hook when he pulls. I'm on.
Nice.
Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. That feels big, dude. I get the net. That feels pretty good. That's pretty good. I can't tell. It feels pretty good though. It's running toward me. Can't tell if it's big or not, but it feels good.
Oh.
It feels good. Not bad.
Let him run.
That feels pretty good.
Oh yeah. Don't take that. Come on.
Dude, my drag is not loose. I might have another one on.
The he is biting.
Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one, dude. That's a big one, dude. That's a big one. Dude, look at his mouth. Oh, that's a good one. That's what I'm talking about. That's a good one. I'll take it. I'll take that any day of the week.
Oh yeah. Easy.
Let's get a weight on this guy. Let's get a weight on him. I'm gonna say probably like, I'm gonna say like 12 pounds. Maybe 10. 10 pounds, 12. 10 pounds. There we go. New bait.
Throw this guy over.
Where's it caught on? It's caught all over. There we go. You can let him go. It's not a bad one though.
No, not at all.
Just a short video today. Thanks for watching as always, and stay safe.